ready to take control of your crypto security. Let's dive into how to set up your Trezor One hardware wallet step by step. First, unbox your Trezor One. Inside, you'll find the device itself, a USB cable, and recovery seed cards. Make sure the box is sealed to ensure it hasn't been tampered with. Next, head over to Trezor, start and download Trezor Suite, the application you'll use to manage your device. Install and open the application. Connect your Trezor One to your computer using the USB cable. Trezor Suite will detect the device and guide you through the firmware update process. Follow the on-screen instructions to update to the latest firmware. This is crucial for security. Once the firmware is updated, Trezor Suite will prompt you to create a new wallet. This involves setting up a PIN. Choose a strong PIN that you won't forget and enter it on your Trezor using the on-screen keypad. Now comes the most important part, your recovery seed. Your Trezor will display 24 words one at a time. Write these down in the exact order on the provided recovery seed card. Store this card in a safe and secret location. This seed is your key to recovering your funds if your Trezor is ever lost or damaged. With your PIN and recovery seed set up, your Trezor One is ready to use. You can now create accounts for different cryptocurrencies and start sending and receiving funds. Always verify the address on your Trezor screen before confirming any transaction. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Trezor One. Remember to keep your recovery seed safe and your firmware updated. This is your key to securing your digital assets. For more tips and tricks, check out the resources in the description below. Happy hodling.